Hey, this is Dr. Amanda from Straight Smile Solutions, and I want to show you something cool that I saw at AAO this weekend. This is a new product by Braces Academy. It's called the OKS, or Orthodontic Screening Kit. So I guess Braces Academy has a lot of different features. Some of the ones I liked is if you are doing all kinds of orthodontics in your practice and sometimes you're trying to communicate with the parent and they don't come, they have like a turnkey HIPAA compliant solutions for messaging to communicate with the parents with like stock graphics, stock images, stock videos, so you can communicate easier with them. So that was pretty cool. But then they also have this OKS, Orthodontic Screening Kit. Everybody knows all about the virtual consult. This is huge now. Everyone's doing it in one way or another. There are a lot of different options, but this is a physical kit that they offer. So if you're at a health fair, so I'm trying to do this with one hand here, or something, you can actually physically hand them out and track them. So basically, you're going to go ahead and give these out. Hey, you're going to get screened by one of our doctors. They're going to set up a HIPAA compliant account. They're going to enter their code so you can track it. They're going to upload their photos. And there's some simple questions, health questions, sleep questions, which I liked. I thought that was pretty cool. They have some measuring devices in here, a little bit different than what I've seen before. But, I think you can buy their kits or you can create your own. I mean, this is a no-brainer. There's retractors in here. These are like $2 each. No, less than that, I think. They have a little thing to see how wide the patient is. But, you can get creative when you do these kind of things. And I'm glad to give you examples of how to create a kit like this. And you can use a kit like this theoretically with some of the other screening companies that are out there. I'm a big fan of SmileSnap is one of them. That's the one that's on my website. If you want to go to straightsmilesolutions.com, check it out. Bottom left-hand corner, you can jump on and play with it. So anyways, just getting out there, your patients are used to the virtual smile consultation, so you really shouldn't be requiring them to come into the office to get a consultation, or at least an initial consultation or a screening to find out if they're a candidate for braces, aligners, functional appliances, airway appliances, anything like that. Anyways, don't forget to jump on my website, check out my YouTube videos, subscribe to my YouTube videos, visit me on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. All right, thanks so much. Talk to you soon. StraightSmileSolutions.com.